All right, welcome back to the channel. So if you've never bought a home before and you're not sure where to start, or maybe you have bought a home in the past, but it's been so long that the details are a bit fuzzy, don't worry, I got you. I'm going to be breaking down the multiple steps of the home buying process for the state of New Jersey without putting you to sleep. Yeah, I'm a licensed real estate agent here. So if you're planning a move, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Hey, so I've noticed a lot of you watching aren't actually subscribed yet. Do me a favor, it'll take a second. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe, and ring the notification bell. It really helps me and the channel grow so I can continue bringing you helpful content like this. Thanks for the support, I really appreciate it. Alright, so step one is to speak with a local lender and get pre-approved. This is how you find out what you can comfortably afford before you house hunt. You'll need a pre-approval before submitting any offers anyway. This is how sellers will know that you're a serious buyer and that you can actually afford to buy that house. Plus, a local lender will know all of the New Jersey specific loan programs that could save you money. So if you need a referral because you don't have a lender, I've got you covered with that as well. I have some of the best lenders across the state that I can recommend. All right, step two is you're going to want to partner up with a local realtor like me. Your agent, or me, is your guide through the entire process along with your real estate attorney. We're going to make sure that you're protected and informed. You also need to sign a buyer agency agreement, which outlines how your agent is going to be compensated for helping you close that deal. And yes, it's now required before we can even go tour homes in person. All right, step three is the strategy meeting. This is where you and me will get together either in person or virtually if scheduling is tight, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process. I'll explain what to expect and we'll break down your goals, must-haves such as minimum number of beds, baths, any potential deal breakers, perhaps you're not interested in any flood zones, and preferred areas. Now, this step is all about getting crystal clear on what your goal is and how I'm going to help you get there. All right, step four is where the searching begins. Once we've got your must-haves and your deal breakers and preferred areas nailed down, I'll set you up with custom MLS property alerts. What this means is you're going to get real-time updates when homes that match your criteria hit the market. So you're always a step ahead, and you'll get to favorite the ones you like and discard those you don't. So we're always on the same page. Step five. This is where the fun begins. Going to see homes. This is where we walk in and either go, wow, or what the f***. We'll schedule showings to see homes in person because, let's be real, photos can be deceiving with those fancy wide-angle lenses. Seeing a home with your own eyes, that's when you really know if it's the one. Step six, submitting an offer. So you fall in love with a home, now what, right? I'll help you submit a strong, competitive offer that still protects your best interest. We'll review things like pricing by comparing recently sold homes in the area, discuss contingencies, deadlines, and strategies to help your offer stand out in this crazy market. Step seven, attorney review. Yay! Wait, what the heck is attorney review? So we just submitted that strong offer that stood out in the previous step, right? And guess what? It got accepted. Awesome. Yay. Woohoo. But we're not done yet. We'll now enter what's called attorney review, where both sides' attorneys review the contract and make sure everything's good to go for each respective client. Your real estate attorney will be there to protect you every step of the way and to also coordinate with a title company for a title search and title insurance. Basically making sure there are no surprise claims or liens on the property. Now, if you need a solid attorney recommendation, I've got a list of trusted pros I've worked with throughout the years that get the job done. All right, step 8, under contract and earnest money deposit. So after attorney review has concluded, we're officially now under contract. At this point, you're going to have to provide an earnest money deposit, usually somewhere between 1% to 3% of the purchase price, as a sign you're serious about closing the deal. Now, the good news is this deposit gets credited towards your down payment at closing. Step 9, the home inspection period. So, you'll hire a licensed home inspector to check out the home's condition. If anything pops up, we can negotiate repairs or credits with the seller to make sure you're protected. Now, a home inspection usually takes anywhere from 1 to 4 hours, depending on the size of the home, and can run you anywhere from $600 to about $1,300 here in the state of New Jersey. Again, I can recommend a few you can reach out to if needed. Now, step 10 is optional and not every agent recommends this. It's a municipal search, or what's called an OPRA. I always recommend submitting an OPRA request with the local municipality during this time. It checks for any open permits or unresolved issues with the home. It's not required, but trust me, it's worth the extra peace of mind. Step 11, mortgage appraisal and commitment. So sometime between going under contract and moving towards closing, your lender will begin the final approval process. This includes ordering a home appraisal to confirm the property's value, along with a full review of your financials through underwriting to ensure everything is in order. If all checks out, you'll receive what's called a mortgage commitment. That's your lender's official green light that the loan is fully approved and you're cleared to close. Step 12, the final walkthrough. So the finish line is so close. Now, the day before or the morning of closing, we'll do a final walkthrough to make sure the home is in the condition you expect. Meaning no last minute surprises like a missing refrigerator or the washer and dryer are gone if they're supposed to be included. Yes, that actually happens. Step 13, closing day. This is it. So we finished the final walkthrough, refrigerator's there, washer and dryer's also there. We get to the closing table, now you're gonna sign your life away. Submit the balance of your down payment minus the earnest money deposit you already paid, plus closing costs, which in the state of New Jersey usually ranges from 1.5% to about 3% of the sales price. Once all the paperwork is done, boom, the keys are yours. You're officially a homeowner. Buying a home doesn't have to be overwhelming, especially when you've got the right team on your side. We're here to guide you every step of the way and connect you with some of the best lenders, attorneys, and home inspectors across the state of New Jersey to keep things smooth and stress-free. So when you're ready, book a call. Link is in the description.